What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about a few stocks that you might want to get ASAP. But hey guys, listen, if I helped you in any way, but I was hoping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, another day is in the books, but today I got some guidance on a few things that I want to make sure that you have all the information you need in terms of what to do, how to play certain things moving forward, okay? As well as a few plays that I want you to have as your inflation play. So when you start hearing Wall Street talk about inflation, okay, there are certain stocks that's going to do good in that, and you can't have all of the wrong plays that may do good in a different kind of market, but you don't have your plays that are ready for inflation. So I'm just going to touch on that today to give you guys the guidance. Again, I'm always going to put the ball in your court, allow you to pick and choose, but at least you're going to know what to do and how to win consistently despite what this market is doing, okay? Let's get to it. Guys, really quickly, I wanted to kick the video off speaking on DOGECOIN. Okay, it's currently sitting at 61 cents right now. I talked and showed you my position, okay? I've had this and I'm up over, what, 15,000%. However, people been asking, is it too late to get in? Let me give you some guidance, but I first want to give you that disclaimer about please only invest money that you can risk losing, okay? If you are putting your house savings in this stuff, you guys are doing too much, okay? You guys got to be careful. You guys have to reevaluate if you're trying to get rich quick or if you're trying to, again, go about investing in the right way. Now, this is a speculative play in general, so you should already have that mindset, understanding, yet this will crash. But again, I've been in this play a long time. It crashes every single time, and you give it 6 to 9 months and it come right back. Please understand and know that, okay? And so in terms of can you get in, is it too late? It's not too late, but remember about what they say. Buy the rumor, sell the news. The news is that this play will be featured on SNL by Elon Musk on Saturday night. A lot of people may hold up into that or up and through that. But then you guys got to be ready to make your exit based on what your conviction is, okay? So listen, to me, I seen resistance in this at a few different prices, 47 cent, 51 cent level, okay? And then it will bounce back up. So some of you may have the patience to wait for it to dip to that level. Some of you may want to get in now. And if you do, I would nibble and I would dollar cost average into this, buying on any dips, knowing that it's going to hit 69 again, okay? 69, that whole range has been resistant. So at least no matter when you get in, you at least know that it can go there, and hopefully enough hype and momentum can help it break through. Okay, I want to give you guys some kind of guidance, some type of price range, okay? But make sure that you nibble into it. Make sure you only invest in money you can afford to lose, okay? Don't put 100,000 in this, okay? You do something that's reasonable and that's sensible, and then you'll come out okay regardless of what happened and regardless of when it crashed, in case you didn't take profit. And next, I wanted to show you guys our recovery plays, and I want you guys to really lock in and look at this. Would you love to see your portfolio look like this? Your whole portfolio. These are our recovery plays, okay? From Wells Fargo down to Bank of America to Morgan Stanley. Look at how they are doing versus some of the plays we all may be holding together, okay? Now, some of you asked, and I thought this was an honest question right here, okay? Is it too late to get into these plays you put us in back in December and on January 1st? These are all our plays, okay? And so look at this. Starting with Wells Fargo, we got this January 1st, and in December, depending on when you join, 50% we're pretty much up in this one. We go here, 23% for Citigroup. We go to Chase, almost 20% here in Chase. Bank of America, 33%, and Morgan Stanley, nearly 20%. Okay, now just think about this, guys. Do you want to see your portfolio look like this? Because I've been stressing and telling you guys the high risk plays will take you higher. Yes, it's needed to grow your money, but you don't want to have too many of those. I don't care if I introduce 3 or 4 a week. You guys pick 1 or 2, ride them up for the double up, and then you rinse and repeat, or you buy a new one. But these are the plays that you need so that your portfolio can look like this all day, every day in this market, okay? So the thing is this: if you don't have these plays and you're like, Chris, man, you told us about these in January 1st, I don't have these, what can I get now? Let's go look at that. If you don't have those plays I just showed you, are plays that are with us from the beginning of this 100K challenge, and that's how you hold your portfolio up, guys, then you need to consider Cleveland Cliffs. Okay, this play just hit a new 52-week high, so it's at a buy zone between the $20 and the $17 range. Okay, I talked to you guys about this a couple weeks ago. Hopefully some of you picked up some shares in the 17s and the 18s, but Cleveland Cliffs would be one. Guys, this is your play so that when inflation talks creep up, when inflation in general creeps up, this will be your play that goes up. This will be the play that will make you the money so that you don't have to have a whole down portfolio, okay? Another play that is going to run heavy in terms of y'all needing to double your money, or again, I see this as a $65 play short term, and it was just recently $100 before it came down with some stuff it didn't have anything to do with, okay? Viacom, ticker symbol VIAC. Okay, this will be a play that under $40 you want to consider. They have earnings coming up, so you guys have been seeing what's been happening. Wall Street has not shown any love to any good earnings. They are going to crush earnings, but they are going to drop. So you can get this under 40, 39, 38, but trust and believe, after earnings season is over, these plays will take off, okay? I don't know why Wall Street is penalizing every company for earnings, but we don't care. You play the game, you play the hand you're dealt, okay? So 2 plays that I want you to consider, and if I could, I would say swap out one of your high risk plays for one of these plays or both of these plays, okay? So if you take 2 plays out, replace it with these 2 plays. If you take 2 plays out, replace it with these 2 plays, okay? That is how you want to structure your portfolio for optimum success. This is not the stock market. You guys got to know, every year is different. This is not the stock market that's going to just go to the moon. You're going to keep having up day, down day, go up, down, go up 2 days, go down 4 days. And so if you want to do well in that, please consider these plays. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is mental health. Listen, man, I wanted to circle back and talk about the importance of managing and maintaining your mental health, okay? And I'm more talking about those of you that are new to the game, may have been excited about what the stock market has to offer because it is the best vehicle in the world. However, if you have been blindsided by the correction, by all of this pullback, guys, you got to make sure you're protecting your mental health, okay? You guys got to know that it's okay to push away from the table and just get out the market for a little bit, or pause, just not looking at your portfolio. Those are all things you may have to do as a new and or beginning investor, or if you didn't apply the teachings of a trailing stop loss or a limit sell order and now you're down substantially, and you know that being down hurts you more than being up, okay? Because some people feel pain when they're down and then they don't feel as much joy when their portfolio was up. Those are real things that people go through. And so if you happen to fall on that spectrum and you know that's how you wire, protect your mental health, okay? The stock market ain't going nowhere. Yes, it will be up by the end of the year, but if you can't endure the trenches, if you can't endure this type of churning period, this choppiness, this uncertainty, these red days, guys, it's okay to fall back, okay? Protect your peace, protect your mental health. Know that the plays you're in will all come back. That's just what the stock market do. But it's also intended to weed people out if you are trying to get rich quick. And that's what you have to recognize and be mindful of. If you are an investor and if you're working on being an investor, this market is beautiful. But if you're trying to turn 15 cents into $1 overnight or in 2 seconds, this is not the market for you, and I'm not the channel for you, because I'm going to teach you the game. Some plays I'm putting you in because it's going to teach you patience and to endure. And other things we're going to do is going to be about how you navigate, giving you strategy, giving you game plans, okay? And so, guys, it's a marathon over here. Trust and believe that. And I don't care if everything was going to the moon or not. I want you to know what you're doing, because this is a skill that can, again, change your life, allow you to leave your job, retire early, or just do whatever it is you choose to do if you master it the right way. I won't belabor the point, guys. Up next, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Navan Cognac. He says, "Hi Chris, my question is about the dividend challenge. I know you said it was until June, and I was wondering, should those dividend plays be sold after June, or should they be held in our portfolios? The reason I asked this question is I'm wondering if the dividend plays were hedges for the market's lack or upward volatility, and after June, is it possible the market shift gears and the dividend plays begin to underperform, as they perform very well compared to the rest of the market so far this year?" Navan Cognac, this is a great question, guys. He is referring to our high growth dividend challenge that many of us are in, and he is pointing out that those plays have crushed it in this market, okay? And yes, it's somewhat of a hedge, but it was also to show people how to make passive income through dividend investing, okay? And so it was just a 6-month challenge just to get you in the habit of putting money in. Everybody should be putting money and adding money to your account every 2 weeks or once a month. And the dividend is a way to funnel that through when you don't find any other attractive buying opportunities, okay? And so, yes, I believe you need to hold them throughout this year because of the market you're in. Remember, I just told you 2021 is not 2020. So this year, those will be your winners at the end. Our recovery plays that I just showed you will be the winners at the end of the year. I told you guys this in 2020, the plays that will win, but that's why I'm also trying to teach you guys how to risk management, how to have the right amount of risk in your plays as opposed to having too much risk in your plays, okay? Because I'm going to always give you the plays that can double. However, you got to make sure that you're not overloading your portfolio with those, and then you're abandoning the ones that's going to slow and steady take you to the promised land as well. Listen, man, I hope that was helpful, guys. Don't abandon dividend plays. They are also known as value plays and cyclical plays that will do good in this market, in addition to the plays I showed you today. Listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.